This is a 2009 Lexus RX350. I've been having issues with engine vibration while accelerating, especially while accelerating. And while checking, after taking this cover off, I found out the front torque strut mount is kind of cracked. I think it's moving independently. And I have a new one in there. And we're going to take a look at how to replace it. It looks like there is a bolt here and a bolt there, and then it should slide off. Let's see. I've just supported the engine with a jack, and that way there's less stress here. So these are 14 millimeter. Both of them are 14 millimeters. There. And we're going to take them off and look at the mount and compare it to the new one. There you go. So that was loose. We already loosened this. So those are the two. Spin them off. I don't think I have to take the cover off, but we'll see. Let me complete that. Be back. So the bolts are off, but this is I had to use a pry bar to push it. It's coming out. There we go. Just use the pry bar to gently pull it out. It's out. Okay, let's take a look. Here we go. So this is completely cracked. And here's the new one. I think this is the orientation. Slide it in. Just tap it in. Maybe the new one is in place. See, it's aligned here. And start plugging in the bolt. I'm going to use a little bit of thread lock. The new mount is in. I've torqued to the specs. And we're going to drive and find out if it fixes the problem, or I have to look into the other front motor mount and the transmission mount. I will do that later.